Click on Start. Go to Mechanical Design, and open Part Design. Change the part name to Introduction to Sketcher Workbench. Click OK. To create a sketch, first, we have to select a plane or a face. Select XY, YZ, or ZX plane and click on this icon, Sketch. This is our Sketcher Workbench, which is used to create a 2D sketch. If you don't see a grid, enable this grid icon. Make sure that Snap to Point and Construction icons are disabled. Profile toolbar is used to create a 2D sketch. And Operation toolbar is used to edit the 2D sketch. Here, this point is the origin point of the 2D sketch about which our sketch will be created. Now, click on this line tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Line, and Line. Give origin as the first point. Blue color means that the line is either horizontal or vertical, and the inclined line is shown in white color. Give the second point. H means the horizontal line. Click on the Constraint tool to add the dimension, or go to Insert, Constraint, Constraint Creation, and Constraint. Select the horizontal line and click anywhere on the screen to add that constraint. Double-click on that constraint to edit the dimension. Insert desired value. Again, click on the Line tool and create a vertical line from the origin. V means the vertical line. Add a constraint to the vertical line by clicking on the Constraint tool. Again, click on the Line tool and create an inclined line from the origin. Click on the Constraint tool and select the inclined line and the horizontal line to add the angle constraint. Double-click on the angle constraint to edit the constraint. Insert desired value. Now, add another constraint to the inclined line only, to add the length constraint. Drag and drop the mouse to select the sketch, and press the Delete button. Click on the Line tool and give the first point. Previously, we manually added the constraint to the lines, but we will use this tool to add the constraint automatically. Before we give the second point of the line, press the Tab button from the keyboard a few times and change the length. Do not press the Enter. Again, press the Tab to change the angle. Now, press the Enter. It will automatically add the constraint to the line. Click on the Infinite Line tool. It will create an infinite line. This is a horizontal line. To change it, click on this icon to make it vertical. To make it inclined, click on this icon. Give the first point. Add the angle of 120 degrees. Click on the bisecting line. Select any two lines about which the bisecting line will be generated. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Circle tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Circle, and Circle. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point. Create one more circle. Click on the Constraint tool and select the circle to add the diameter. Double-click on the constraint and change the value. Add a constraint to the other circle as well. Click on a constraint tool and select the center point of the circles to create a distance constraint. Now, click on the Bi-Tangent Line tool. Select the perimeter of the circles. It will create a tangent line about the circle's perimeter. The way we select the circle, the bi-tangent line will be created according to that. Click on the Line Normal to Curved tool. Select the circle as a first point. Give the second point. It will create a line perpendicular to the perimeter of the circle. Select the whole sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Profile tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, and Profile. We can create a continuous line using the Profile tool. Click on the tangent arc icon to add the arc tangent to this profile. Here, few things to note. That some lines of this profile are in green color, whereas others are in white. Green means that the line or the curve is fully constrained. White means that the line or the curve is under constraint. Make the profile fully constrained by using the Constraint tool and adding as many as possible dimensions to it. Now, the profile is fully constrained. If I add another constraint to the profile, the color will change from green to purple. Purple means that the line or the curve is over-constrained. We have to remove any one of these three constraints to make it fully constrained. Just click on this constraint and press the Delete button. Now, the profile is fully constrained. Select the whole sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Rectangle tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Predefined Profile, and Rectangle. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point. Click on the Constraint tool and add the dimensions to the horizontal and vertical lines. Click on the Oriented Rectangle tool. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point. Give the third point. Click on the Constraint tool. Select the inclined line and the vertical line to add the angle constraint. Add dimensions to the remaining lines as well. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Parallelogram tool. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point. Give the third point. This small symbol, which looks like the equal sign, means that the parallel constraint has been applied between these two lines. Click on the Constraint tool. Add length and angle constraint to the sketch. Click on the centered rectangle. This time, add the first point anywhere on the screen. Add the second point. A rectangle is created about its center point. Click on the Constraint tool. Add the constraint to the horizontal and the vertical lines. Here, because we haven't started the sketch from the origin point, the sketch is under constraint. To fix this, apply constraints about the origin point to the sketch. Click on the Constraint tool. Select the vertical line and the V-axis. Select the horizontal line and the H-axis. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and press the delete button. Click on the elongated hole tool. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point as a length. Give the third point as a height. By default, the radius has been given. Double-click to edit it. Click on the constraint tool and add the length constraint. Click on the cylindrical elongated hole tool. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point as an arc. Give the third point as an arc length. Give the fourth point as a height. Just like the elongated hole, the radius has been given. Double-click to edit it. Click on the constraint tool. Add the arc radius. Click on the keyhole profile. Give the first point. Give the second point as a length. Give the third point as a small radius. Give the fourth point as a large radius. Select the sketch and press the delete button. Click on the polygon tool. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point. Again, click on the polygon tool. Give the first point. By default, the hexagon is enabled for the polygon. To enable other polygons, disable this icon called as default number of sides. This option might not be available in your version of CATIA, as I am using the R28 version. If you want to upgrade your CATIA version as well, click on this I button. Give the second point. Now, change the number of sides as per the requirements. Again, click on the polygon tool. Give the first point. The polygon that is shown is created inside the circle. Click on this icon to change the polygon projection method. Select the sketch and press the delete button.